welcome back to my channel Travel with Rishu. So today we're going to go Marina Beach, and if you want to go in a Hindu temple, you can see my previous videos which I already made them. So let's go in Marina JBR hotel. Finally reached to Ramada hotel, and let's see what is there. So let's go. We finally reached our hotel, and now come. See, ooh, there's so many rooms right over here, and this is looking cool. And now let's go right here. It's looking cool. Wait a second. Ooh, finally, guys, let's see. Ooh, that's looking cool. And some people are enjoying right here in the swimming pool, as you can see. And we've seen that swimming pool before, so let's explore the kitchen now. Guys, this is a cooking area right there, and here you can sit, and this is the dining table. You can see right here, and boom, another window. So as you can see, the view is looking good. Look at the tall buildings, and you can even go there in the swimming pool right here. Yeah, they're playing, and this is also the playing area right there, and you can get everything you want. So let's start our journey. Guys, now we're going to go to JBR Beach, so let's go. We finally reached JBR Beach, and as you can see, that's the giant wheel. And if you guys don't know the Ramada Hotel, so you can go to the Ramada Hotel, and you can just go by walking right here. And once it's nice time, so we're going to literally see the show of the view. But I don't want to tell you a fact, and the fact is, this is the world's biggest wheel. So let's continue. Guys, if you like this video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.